In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a form in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to collect responses. This is important because the form will be connected directly to that sheet and every submission will automatically appear there as a new row. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review your sheet columns since those columns will shape the fields your form uses. Once you're in the correct sheet, go to the top menu and click Forms. This is where Smartsheet lets you build a form based on the information already set up in your sheet. After that, select Create Form to open the form builder. Now you can add or edit the form fields based on your sheet columns. Smartsheet usually pulls in the existing columns automatically, which saves time, but you can still adjust the setup so the form matches the type of information you want people to submit. As you work, think about the experience from the user's point of view. Keep the form simple and make sure each field is clear so people know exactly what to enter. Next, customize the form title, description, and field settings. The title should clearly explain what the form is for, and the description can give users a little more context or instructions before they begin. In the field settings, you can refine how each question appears. This is a useful step because it helps make the form more organized and easier to complete. Taking an extra moment here can reduce confusion and improve the quality of the responses you receive. When everything looks good, save the form and copy the form link. Saving makes your form live and ready to use, and the link is what you'll send to anyone who needs to fill it out. Make sure you copy the correct link so you can share the form directly without sending people into the full Smartsheet workspace. Finally, share the form link and test a sample submission. Testing is an important final check because it lets you confirm that the form works the way you expect and that responses are landing in the right sheet correctly. Fill out the form once yourself, submit it, and then go back to the sheet to verify that the new entry appears as intended. And that's it. Once your test submission looks right, your Smartsheet form is ready to collect responses efficiently and keep everything organized in one place.